Hello, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the bamboo palm tree that's been in the Dougherty Garden for many years. Compliments of Bruce Tropical Garden for the seeds. Most of the seeds and everything. A bunch of my collected over the years, but I was able to get a lot of stuff from Bruce Tropical Garden because she has an enormous amount of tropical plants, palms, whatever have you, flowers, bulbs. If it's growing in South Florida, it's growing in Ruth's garden. All right, anyway, just getting back and take a look at it. This is the first year I was able to capture an abundance of seeds. And I should have put this in a bigger pot just to let the seeds fall below, but depending on where I am, I know exactly what we're talking about here. So when the seeds germinate below it, I'll know it's a bamboo palm tree. I presently have, that's the, not the main palm tree, that's the main seedlings from the palm trees. Let me just turn around quick and show you. At the far end there, you see the sun is just gleaming on the palm trees. You see them in the front, and you also see them in the back coming out of a terracotta pot. That's the original bamboo palm trees. Now here is the first baby one, and these are the seedlings from that first baby. They're rather interesting plant because they grow rather tall, and I forget the exact amount in height. They're really tall, so the seeds will readily drop below once they start producing seeds. It takes a little while. Mine took a few years before I saw any seeds on the plants itself. So I just wanted to show you what the bamboo palm tree is, number 16 in the Dougherty Palm Collection. It's going to be added in the video. We're doing a new format. We're trying to do videos on a rolling basis, so this way I capture everything here. This is what the palm looks like when some plants you're able to pull off that one little stem. On this bamboo palm, all three of them there, I would need like a Stanley utility razor in order to just score the outsides or pull it away safely without damaging too much of the palm. But as you can see, I left some of the brown leaves on to get an idea, because palm leaves, the old leaves do get brown as it grows. And as you can see from the top, Mother Nature takes a toll sometimes with the strong winds and caps it out. So this is Marty Dougherty saying please like the video. Stop by, ask a question, any interest, let me know. We're all ears. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.